It's a naval drill with China response to aggressive US Russian army. So the China and Russia are going through a defense exercise, and they are increasing the number of the defense exercise between the Russia and China, and this exercise in the East China Sea. So the location of the East China Sea as well as the island in the East China Sea has become the important. In this regard, the exercise of Russia and the China with India is also the important. Which are the exercise which India is having with the Russia and the China, like hand in hand with the China, as well as there are 2-3 exercise with the Russia as well. Indra exercise, India and Russia. So these are the important one. If there is in the news with the Russia and the China for keeping the peace in the South Asian region, so they can ask about the defense exercise. After the 2019, they are not asking about the exercise, but maybe like in 2021 there was a COVID-19 2021, maybe they can ask right now about the exercises as well as the reports. अगर reports का भी trend देखोगे तो after 2019 के बाद उन्होंने पूछा नहीं है. Maybe now क्योंकि multiple reports are releasing again and again, क्योंकि 2 साल के gap में reports release नहीं हुई हैं. Now the reports are releasing continuously, so they can ask about the report as well. So let's see about the key points. It's involved the firing exercise and the anti-submarine drills. The main goal of exercise to strengthen the naval cooperation between the Russian Federation and the People's Republic of China. And for the stability in the Asia Pacific regions, engage in the frequent military, मतलब जो भी exercise होता है, mostly cases में to prevent like जितने भी हमारे equipments होते हैं, defense military equipments होते हैं, सबके साथ exercise, military force के साथ exercise, so they can be in a good mode. अगर कोई भी war हो या फिर कुछ भी चीज होता है, तो they can act as a good source for it. तो इसीलिए exercise continuous process रहता है. You can see the India with the exercise with each and every country. Even it's Oman, even it's USA, even it's France, even it's Russia, even it's China, even it's Bangladesh. तो सब country के साथ they with the continued drill in the exercises. तो इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि India force is always active for any war. It's also considered as the major forces in the world. तो इसलिए Indian Army को undefeatable army बोला जाता है. They are always active. They are like preparation mode में है. So you are always active कि आपके साथ कुछ भी पूछा जाए. But you are taking a break of the 6 months, 12 months. After that, what's your preparation level? That's happened with the China. Because China is not involved with the multiple countries. They are involved with some small country like Pakistan, and now they started with the Russia. So it's considered as the Indian army is undefeatable because of their continuous exercise with the other country. So we can see about the East China Sea. East China Sea में क्या-क्या important है? Where this exercise is going on. The Senkaku Island, the island near Senkaku Island, the Taiwan Strait, and the Yellow Sea. These are the major location in the East China Sea, as well as the Ryukyu Island. We can say Ryukyu Island, Senkaku Islands. अगर 2017-16 से पहले देखें तो there was a trend to ask, arrange from east to west about these islands, south to north these islands. Now they are not asking what they are asking, some specific location of the island, where it is located. Taiwan Strait connecting which of the following country, Yellow Sea के आसपास कौन से country हैं, this type of question they are asking about. यहाँ पे सब दिखाएगा, यहाँ पे और भी island है, China and Japan, Senkaku Islands. यहाँ पे और भी लोकेशन है, इस मैप्स में दिखाई नहीं गई है. माय मेजर आइडिया कि शो यू दिस लोकेशन सो यू कैन रीड फ्रॉम योर एटलस कि क्या क्या मेजर लोकेशन है यहाँ पे. नाउ व्हाट इज द एक्सरसाइज बिटवीन द इंडिया एंड चाइना एंड रशिया एंड द इंडिया? वन इज हैंड इन हैंड. द एम ऑफ एक्सरसाइज टू प्रैक्टिस ज्वाइंट प्लानिंग एंड कंडक्ट ऑफ काउंटर टेररिस्ट ऑपरेशन इन सेमी अर्बन टेरेन. देन इन बिटवीन रशिया एंड इंडिया, इंद्रा, इट्स डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम देयर नेम ओनली. इंडिया रशिया से आ रही, इंडिया से IND. So Indra, it's India and Russia. It's conduct the counter-terror operation between the United. इस exercise में सबसे important क्या है? It's given to the mandate to the United Nations. The Indra exercise under the mandate of the United Nations. The exercise will entail the conduct of counter-terror operation under the United Nations mandate for the joint forces against the international terror group. So it's a mandate of the United Nations under which they can act against the terror groups. Then the exercise TSENTR, it's a part of annual exercise, large scale exercise that form a part of the Russian armed force annual training cycles. So इसके according जहाँ पे trainings purpose चलेगा Russia armed force के साथ, Indian armed force के साथ, and in this exercise all the Indian military as well the army है, navy है, defense है, सब involve होते हैं. It's a trilateral exercise we can say. Trilateral मतलब सारी हमारी forces involve होगी. बाकी किसी में नेवी इन्वॉल्व होती है, किसी में आर्मी इन्वॉल्व होती है. डिपेंड ऑन द टाइप ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज.